Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to pre-auth play integrity verification failed problem in ChatGPT. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you go to tap on setting and scroll down. You can see that apps, default apps. Tap on apps and go down ChatGPT. Tap on ChatGPT and scroll down. Already you can see that storage. Tap on storage. Now you can see that clear data and clear cache. Tap on clear data and delete. Tap on. Okay, go back to your home and tap on Play Store application. Search here. Tap on search ChatGPT. Tap on update. Already ChatGPT is update. Go back to your home and tap on ChatGPT, and now your ChatGPT logging your Gmail. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.